So, players, Frumpy Dump done made it down to the courthouse for the second day of his trial. And he said that the money paid to Stormy Daniels was a legal expense. He said he didn't know what his lawyer was going to do with the money, but it was completely innocent. It was a legal expense. Y'all watch this video. I'll see you on the other side. My feet.
We have a Trump-hating judge. We have a judge who shouldn't be on this case. He's totally conflicted. But this is a trial that should never happen. It should have been thrown out a long time ago. If you look at Jonathan Turley, Andy McCarthy, all great legal scholars, there's not one that we've been able to find that said this should be a trial. I was paying a lawyer and marked it down as a legal expense. Some accountant, I didn't know, marked it down as a legal expense. That's exactly what it was. And you've been indicted over that? I should be right now in Pennsylvania, in Florida, in many other states, North Carolina, Georgia, campaigning. This is all coming from the Biden White House.
Oh, Frumpy, why don't you just shut up? I know your Cracker Jack Box legal team wish that they could just slap some tape over your mouth. I know they get nervous every single time you open your chat. And also, when you open your phone, it is damn ridiculous and a hot boo-boo shitty mess. Just be quiet, sir. I declare, what a disgrace. But I'm going to go ahead and keep it a stack with you. Let him keep talking. So we're on day 2 of Frumpy Dump's hush money trial. Yesterday, we dealt with some requests from Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team. Frumpy Dump asked the judge to basically dismiss court on May 16th for Barron's graduation, as well as one of his attorneys also has a child that is graduating, and they wanted to skip or dismiss trial for that day as well. The judge said that he will address those depending on how the schedule is going. So basically, this is an indication that this is going to be a pretty long trial. According to reports, jury selection could take up to 2 weeks. Yesterday, they interviewed around 100 jurors. Now, about over half of those were dismissed because they indicated that they could not deliver impartial verdict. So they need to find 12 jurors as well as 6 standbys. So they have a long way to go, because I believe yesterday they ended up with around 34 people remaining, and then I believe it was scaled down a little bit more. So today in court, Frumpy Dump, y'all saw what he had to say as he was going in. District Attorney Alvin Bragg's office officially filed those motions to have Frumpy Dump sanctioned, as well as have the judge remind him of his of the details in the gag order. And basically, if he doesn't adhere to those, they want Frumpy Dump sanctioned, as well as possible jail time. The judge did set a hearing on that on April 24th. So they just basically filed their formal request today. As of right now, we're dealing with jury selection. Judge Marchand is on the bench. Frumpy Dump is in the courtroom with his Cracker Jack Box legal team. District Attorney Alvin Bragg has arrived at the courthouse, and his assistant district attorney is taking care of the jury selection. I believe Judge Marchand said that they have around 100 people that they need to get through today. Again, they need 12 jurors and then 6 standbys. So according to reports, this could take up to 2 weeks for the jury selection. So I'll keep you guys updated. Make sure you keep it locked right here with the Black Accurate News, where you can get all of your updates. Of course, this trial is not televised, but I'll give you what I got for a pork chop from anyone that is sitting in the courtroom and seeing this stuff firsthand. All right, players, put your thoughts in the comments. This is Double D Mother for the Black Accurate News.